Good day everybody, today in front of me I have Motorola Moto G82 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. As we all know, unfortunately the Fortnite game is not present at the Google Play Store, therefore you cannot get it from there. So in order for you to be able to play this magnificent game, just open any search engine of your choice. In my case I'll roll with the Google. At the search bar, type in Fortnite APK, just like so. Next, among the search results, look for the official Epic Games website and go for it. Then just click on this black Get It on the Epic Games app button. Wait for the file to start downloading. Next, just open it. And prior of installing the Epic Games launcher, it is required for us to allow the Google Chrome to install apps from unknown sources, which you can simply do by clicking on settings here, turning on this allow from this source switch, and tapping on the install button again. Now we can just go ahead and open the Epic Games launcher. Here, locate the Fortnite, click on Get, then uninstall, and wait for the game to get downloaded. So, as you can see, once the app has been downloaded and can install itself, you are required to do the same stuff that you did with the Google Chrome while downloading the Epic Games launcher, that is allowing the Epic Games to install unknown apps. So we gotta turn on the switch once again and tap on the install. Now the Fortnite game itself can be opened, and here all that it's left to do for you is to basically wait until the Fortnite will download all required updates and resources, as you can see right here. So once this bar gets fully yellow, therefore the updating scale reaches 100%, it will mean that all necessary files have been successfully downloaded and you can start playing the Fortnite game. Alrighty, so that was pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching us, and bye bye.